Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all fine. So are you searching on the internet for a tutorial to record screen on Firestick but cannot find any helpful guide? Then you are in the right place. Make sure to stay with this video tutorial and I'm going to show you how you can record a screen on your Amazon Firestick device with complete instructions. The same guide will also work for Firestick 4K, FireTV, Firestick Lite and FireTV Cube. So if you want to install screen recorder on your Amazon Firestick device, you don't need to jailbreak on Firestick. So what you have to do, you need to click on search icon above the menu and type here screen recorder. When you type screen and hour, the suggestion appeared screen recorder. So scroll down and click on. Now click on screen recorder icon. Now press download button and screen recorder downloaded on Firestick in few seconds. So here as you can see, screen recorder app has been installed on our Firestick. Now you open a screen recorder from here and also from home. So after installing, go back home screen by pressing remote home button. And here hold the remote home button for a few seconds. Now click on apps. And here you will find all application that is installed on our Firestick. So if you want to open a screen recorder, then scroll down and over to screen recorder and open. Now click on screen recorder button and record screen whatever you want. And I hope this video is really helpful for you, and please don't forget to click on like button, share button and subscribe button. And if you have any quiz or question, then comments on below. I will see you guys next video. Take care.